Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name is Nick.
My name is Chris, and Nick, what do we got in store today?
Well, today we are talking about XRP and how it has exploded recently with some fantastic green prices, which is awesome to see in the markets. So we're going to have a little talk about that, look through an article where it's talking about it exploding 30%, which is actually more than that now. So it's really good to kind of go through all those kind of details. And as always, guys, if you're really into your XRP, have a huge bag stacked ready for the spark, go ahead and smash that like button for Chris. He really does appreciate it. I really appreciate it. The whole Cheeky Crypto community appreciates it. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you'll be kept up to date with all the videos and live streams that we do here at Cheeky Crypto. Chris, shall we go ahead and have a look at the current markets and see what's happened in the last 24 hours and then dive straight into this XRP explosion?
Yeah, let's get straight into it. What a crazy day today's been. Let's go straight into the markets and take a look, Nick.
Fantastic. Right, so here we are, and it was only yesterday I was talking about a 520 billion market cap, and we are now sitting on a nice 533.9 billion market cap. So fantastic. So where has that gone? So if we look down our list here, and I'll just choose my watch list because of what we are currently invested in, there are 1, 2, and 3 tokens here, or coins, currently in red, with the other 17 in the green. So Bitcoin here is actually slightly down at 0.05 for the day. Ethereum is up 5.5, XRP a massive 30.5% for the day. Chainlink 6.5, Polkadot 6.4, Cardano another amazing run here for the Cardano at 11.2. Stellar, we can't ignore Stellar either, Chris, because this has had a 19.7% gain. VeChain 16.9. It's fantastic to see some of these projects really going hard. Algorand 8.3, Ren 7.2, Zilliqa 3.3. RSR is the other one that's had a slight dip, but it has had almost 50% growth in the last 7 days. So we'll let that one slide a little bit, but that's negative 0.5. Hedera here, 6.9%, okay, 6.9% for Hedera. Matic 5.1, Singularity Net 1% down, but it was 23%, or is 23% for the last 7 days, so that's pretty strong too. Fetch AI at 7.7, Solve at 2, Harmony at 2.5, Polymath at 5.3, and even V4 here at 6.9%. So a really good, strong 24 hours, with the 7 days also looking very, very good, right? So Bitcoin at 16% up, Ethereum 17%, but XRP 57.5%. Absolutely amazing to see it outperform Bitcoin at such a huge level. Chainlink 20%, Polkadot at 26%, Cardano 22%, Stellar 26.9%. So, these are some nice double-digit growth going on here. VeChain 24%, Algorand 15%, Ren 11%, Zilliqa 14.2%. RSR, as I said, was at 46.8%. Hedera there is at 0.2 for the week, but Matic's 12%, Singularity Net's 23%, Fetch AI is 29%. So it's absolutely been a fantastic 24 hours and a previous 7 days for the crypto space, specifically on the tokens that we watch on this channel. Now, if we go ahead and have a look at the XRP chart here, we can see this rocket just shooting up on the screen, Chris, which is fantastic. And it was talking about this probably on a few of our XRP videos previous. This red line that I drew in here, which is representing an area of resistance and support that we've been testing so many times, it was only a matter of time that we would break through it. And it was yesterday that we were talking about getting to I think it was like 32 cents, testing that level. If we were able to breach that 33, we were going to see such significant rises. And that's exactly what happened. We breached 33. Like a rocket, it was shot straight up here, steadily reaching new highs. So we are currently at 42.1 according to the charts here. And if I go into XRP, we'll have a look here at 42.6 according to CoinMarketCap, so maybe slightly accurate here than my chart. So if we look at this, we've got a market cap now of $19 billion. And if we think back to 2017, 2018, this was a 148 billion. So we've still got some way to go to get to those all-time highs that we saw before. We've got quite a bit more money to flow in. But this is a good start to head towards that, Chris. So it's fantastic. So the trading volume here is 14.8 billion, with the obviously circulating supply, which hasn't changed all too much. It's 45.3 billion with a 100 billion in essence, just shorter total supply. And for anyone who's new to XRP, the all-time high was $3.84. Okay, for the all-time high that happened in 2018. So here we are, just 3 years later, just shy of 3 years later, and we're starting to see a nice pump back up, which hopefully we'll start to see, moving into the worlds of a new all-time high in the coming weeks and months. So let's go ahead, Chris, and have a look at this this article, which talks about XRP exploding 30% in this sudden, and I don't call it sudden, it's something that we've been talking about for weeks, I would think. I don't think it's a sudden movement, but they can call it sudden if they want. But a sudden altcoin rally, and I think a lot of analysts have already been calling this out for weeks anyway, so it shouldn't have come as a surprise to anyone, really. So Bitcoin, I keep saying that, but I mean XRP price explodes 30% in sudden altcoin rally, with Cardano and Stellar amongst the biggest gains. So what are we talking about here? So if we have a look, XRP, Cardano or ADA, Stellar, XLM are shaking up crypto markets and leading a sudden altcoin rally. In the last 24 hours, XRP has surged 30%. At time of writing, the digital asset is worth 39 cents, according to CoinMarketCap. Well, now we are talking, it is 41, and I think we saw highs of 40. I'm going to say it's actually 42.6, sorry. And I think today we saw highs of 43 point something. If I pull this up, we'll have a look. We saw 42, maybe not. Well, I saw it earlier, but nonetheless, we can. I think it was on Binance I was looking at before, but yeah, I'm pretty certain we saw 43 cents earlier, Chris. So fantastic, yeah, on XRP. So we're still moving in the upward direction. So the price of Cardano is also up 14%, so at 12 cents there. Up 14% is Stellar, so really, really good, and is currently valued at 9 cents. And if I come back to here again, just click on these coins that we're watching and just have a check of those as well whilst we're here, because Cardano is at 12.7 and Stellar here is at 10.3. okay, so even higher than what it when this article was written, which was earlier today. So analyst Scott Melker believes that Cardano has more room to run and appears to be en route to 15 cents, which is fantastic. Anyone who watches our other videos and our live streams know that we're quite big on Cardano and ADA. So a times 10 leverage long from newsletter today, presently up 74%, just truly breaking out. Looking for a retest at the ascending triangle to add more to the position. What a day. And the analyst here, Credible Crypto, says XRP has more room to the upside, but cautious, this could change if Bitcoin reverses course. Okay, so just a bit of a warning, but this is a warm-up run, really, Chris, because we were expecting things to boom as we enter the first 2 weeks of December for the Spark airdrop. So yeah, really one to watch out for, guys, because we've seen some really good numbers today, and people will be getting really excited, and maybe some of their emotions are getting the better of them, and potentially even selling off early here. But for me personally, I won't be selling my XRP until way off. I think there's so much more to come. As I said before, the total market cap at the 2018 high, albeit on a lower circulation, was $148 billion, right? And we're at 19 billion. So lots more to come in here yet. This is just starting. So no weak hands, as you say, Chris.
That's it. Yeah, got to just hold on through. It is, my thoughts.
Fantastic. So as always, if you found this useful and informative, and you really are big on XRP and wanting to be holding for that Spark airdrop snapshot of the 12th of December, do go ahead and smash that like button and just show us how much you really want that to happen, with really nice prices included. Do let us know what your thoughts are on the XRP rally that's just been happening. Do drop those down in the comments down below. Chris will go through all of those where possible and get back to you. And if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and subscribe. By subscribing, you'll be kept up to date with all of the videos and live streams that we do here on the Cheeky Crypto channel. And with that said, we hope you have a fantastic day, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Take care.